Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. And it was called Yellow. So then I took my time. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so. Hey, so this is a very easy beginner's version to close off my quick start series, and this is Yellow by Coldplay, just using those 3 chords, keeping the strumming simple, and perhaps you might want to do some singing at the same time, you never know. If not, just play along with me. The reason why I play when I do song lessons at the beginning is so that one day you can come back to that and play along with me, because then you've got the song when you're playing with a guitarist. Let's start learning how to play it. Okay, so there is music for this, so please grab hold of that. It makes it easier. I've put the chords above the words to help you out. Generally, for every chord that's written down, we're doing 8 down strums. Okay, so we've got A, E, D, and then later on in the chorus, things change a bit sooner. So let's start with our A chord. I'm going to use a plectrum for this, but you can use your thumb. Remember, for the A, we strum the bottom 5 strings. And we strum 8 down strums. Look at the A, look how they A for E. Now remember, your A to E, just move your middle and ring up and your index down. And just try to keep strumming as you move in. In terms of counting 8, if you find that too much, then just do 2 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you go. That was the order there. All right. So I like to do it with a bit of vocal because it helps you know where you're going from. I'll take it from the beginning. Ready with me? 3, 4. A. Look at these stars. Look how they shine for E. And all the things you D. Bottom 4 strings for D. Yeah, they were all D. I wrote a song for E, and all the things you did, and it was called A. Okay, so on and so forth. So the order of chords for the verse is 4 A's, 4 E's, sorry, 8 A's, 8 E's, 8 D's, and then 8 A's, and that just repeats. So I'll do the join now into the chorus where things change a little bit more often. Oh, it was all yellow. So you do 8 A's coming out of the verse, then into D, strum them 4 times. Your D, A, oh yeah, your E and bones. So you see there I was doing 4 Ds, 2 A's, 2 E's. Then you repeat that 3 more times. 4 D's, 2 A's, 2 E's. D, 4 times. 2 A's, 2 E's. D. Now you can strum it 8 times, or you can strum and hold it like they do in the song. Strumming and holding just means strumming and letting the strings ring. You know I love you so. Okay? You know I love you so. It's just 4 strums for the D in the end, before it then goes back to the verses. I came along. And that's all written in your music, so nice and easy to follow. The outro is the only thing that's a little bit different. So you come out of the final chorus and you've got this, it's A, 8 times. Look how they shine for E, 8 times. Look how they shine for D, 8 times with this D. Another 8 times. Look how they shine for E. Look how they shine for D. 8 times. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. So you can let this ring. Look how they shine for you. Let that ring, the E chord. Things that you do, and finish on your D. So there you go. You've got a verse, you've got a chorus, you then repeat the verse, you then repeat the chorus, and then you do your outro. We're not doing any of the solo or anything like that because this is our sing and strum easy beginners version. So well done, you've got a song. Try it with a bit of singing as well if you like. Well done for getting this far.